Here, after my clapping, you will hear the normal echo. Now please join me to the front of the steps. And when the sound of the clapping touches the steps according to the speed of the sound, that frequency, it will travel in the chamber.
Yeah.
But when it comes out, it will be equal to the song of a bird. And we still don't know how to do that or how they did that, and we say we have.
Are you kidding me? That's
But
shocking.
the sound of the temple and the bird, it's already in computers and sonograms to check the frequencies, and the two of them, they're equal.